Hello YouTube family, welcome to the channel. Welcome. In today's video we're going to see gold scalping strategy. These scalps will help you also to know the best indicator at the end of the video. If it's the first time, please subscribe, like and share, and also remember to join my YouTube membership. By subscribing, you'll see a join button, then you can join my YouTube membership. For the seniors, choose the levels which is called VIP seniors, and also can become the member of my lifetime seniors by sending me a WhatsApp message so that we can discuss how it works. Yes, I have a lifetime WhatsApp group for the seniors. Yes, so I would like to show you how you can make money just trading gold. Yeah, this is how it is, and let's go. So let's start. Yes, so for example, you will, when you come in a daily time frame, you can see that on gold we have a beautiful W around here. This is a room, that is a room. Whenever the market make this kind of pull and break the previous neck, it's a continuation movement, or it shows that it will continue. Then when we come in 4 hours time frame, the market is sitting above these lows, which are they become the support of the market. So the market is at the support, and we move to 1 hour time frame. There was nothing to show except that the market was sitting above the 60 moving average, and in a 30-minute it was a doji candle, but when I entered, this doji was not yet formed. That's why I always tell you guys to look for to go in lower time frame. For you to scalp the trade, you have to use either 15, 5, or 1 minute time frame. When you go in 1 minute time frame, you'll be flipping. You'll be flipping. I'll show you how you can flip and you get 100% result, and always, because I know most of the people, they're gonna flip their account, then maybe win is 6 trade out of 10, then at the end of the day they still broke their account. So I will show you how you can flip safely or scalp safely and double your account. So today I only did a few of it, and which way only 7 trade. All right, so I will show you how. All right, so you go here on 15-minute time frame. You check the behavior of the candlestick pattern and the chart pattern. So on the chart analysis, we see that we have the support. This is the first touch, the second touch was here, right? So let me use the pencil to show you how it was going. So this is the touch and that one, and we are counting only the bodies. When we come to the body and the wicks, you can see that we still have another support zone around there, right? So when I entered the market did engulfing candle. This was the engulfing candle, which happened to be at 5:30, right? This is the 15-minute time frame, meaning that the market is going up eventually, but we must check in a lower time frame how we can scalp it 100% and take the trade at the right entry. All right, so now in a 5-minute, this was the right of the track candle, which when I come, I took the trade here, which happened to be area, and the market pulled back, right? But this is 100% confirmed that the market at least it will come, and he reached the 356 as scalper, but also the resistance zone. When you put your take profit, it will be you go a little bit lower than the expected resistance. For example, the resistance is here by 360. You come down by 358.5. Right, that was your first scalp entry. Then you wait for the market to settle, and you settle. The second entry was on this doji candle happened to end this doji, and for the entry we took the profit. So my the flip account, I closed the first entry in at the first entry at the break even, then I took the profit of the next scalp. Yes, so and then I waited for another entry once again. Then the market hit down and hit this candle, which is a massive candle. So when you move it yourself in a lower time frame, when you come in 1 minute time frame, the market was building small rooms. Here is where I took my my third entry. When this market came to equalize here, this was called the head and shoulder. So in order for you to scalp the trade, I advise you to be in check the pattern and the support resistance in 15-minute time frame. But from coming higher time frame, you will see if you want to buy or sell, and you must also scalp with the trend for you to be 100% winner, make a money, double your it doesn't matter whether you have a $10 account, $50 account, but you always follow the trend. You must follow the trend. So now we are here by the head and the shoulder, which formed in 1 minute. So in a 5-minute time frame, it will always give you the entry at the very late. In a higher time frame, you take the trade either early or late. So it's better you come in a 1 minute time frame. You better come in a 1 minute time frame to check the for example, now the market is going to correct, and you must check this entry before it happened. I know that this neck is very lower than the previous one. I'm waiting for the other neck to equalize. You can even put your buy limit there. That is where the trade was, and we hit 33.49. All right, that was a buy limit. That I might take profit always at the resistance, and I came again before the take profit hit. I came again, the market reversed before it hit my tipping, then I bought another here. So that is the way of flipping. You don't flip by just entering all the trade same time. You must settle, you must let the market show another entry. That's how you scalp. You don't take many trade the same time at the same entry. You just take the market because maybe you took that trade at a very early. That's why you should always wait for the next entry. If the market just go in your direction when you have only one entry, it's okay because it's still money. But sometimes you enter at the earliest, then the market will put you against you. So what I want to show you, please remember that you must always wait the other entry to settle, because the market always showing you the third entry, the second entry, the fourth entry. So our third entry was here, the third entry was here, right? So and before that we already closed our other trade in a profit, right? And this is the entry, that is another entry as well. So the market finished now to build a W here. The market finished to build a W. The market finished to build a W here. Welcome back to the channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Join our YouTube lifetime signal. It's a VIP signal, and this is also you can contact me by 061 96 78 350. That is my phone number, but my country code is 27 in case you are not in South Africa. All right, so that is also other entry as well. This is also another entry. When the market finish with the W, you are sure that the market is going up, right? So this is also another, when it's pull back, with this doji, it's another pullback, right? Now the market neck, the previous next, this level, this is supposed to be the resistance of the market, blocked by this candle, meaning that the market is continuing up. Now you wait for the market to settle. This was a line on the track again, then you enter the trade. All right, that is the entry of the trade, and we are we close all our profit on 33.50. 8. That is where we cross our profit. Let's check if how it's fight. Yeah, there it's by now it's by 33.58,6. Right now the market here, for example, it's a the moving average cross each other here. They cross each other. This means that the market will go up. This is an uptrend. A market is sitting above the moving average 60 and 200. This also means the market is going up. So gold today it's a buy signal. When you check the 1 hour as well, it's a buy signal. You can see the support zone is here. All right. So now for the indicator, you're gonna use this one. You're gonna use the indicator. You're gonna use the parabolic SAR 0.02, 0.2, right? That is the setting of a parabolic SAR. And then the moving average, you're gonna use only this 60. You don't need other moving average. And the 200 moving average is good to put there so that you can know the direction or the trend line direction. So we have a 60 moving average, which is applied to close to cross, and the method is exponential. That is the indicator. So I'm gonna show you, if you watch the video till the end, how to use this indicator. You will come here and check the where the moving average 60 is. The blue one is the moving average 60, right? Then you will check where the market is very clear. Now the market is clear here. The market, then you check where a lot of parabolics are and they cross this moving average 60, right? Then that's where you start checking the entry. The entry will be after when the parabolics are, some of parabolics are coming on top. For example, they say the parabolics came from here. So you took the buy trade from here, then that's how the market went, right? Let's say, for example, here, when the parabolic SAR cross this moving average, you can see the parabolic SAR cross the 60 moving average, then other parabolic SAR came opposite. So that's where you take your entry as a seller here. Then the market it went down accordingly. You can see it's reached very far. That is the indicator you can use to grow your small trading account. So let's see how the market goes. Welcome to the channel and thank you so much. Kindly join our free Telegram group as well. You can check the link on the description of my channel, and also you can WhatsApp me for lifetime signals. And if you want monthly signals, you have just to click this join button here. After you subscribe, there is a join button. Join and choose the level which is called VIP group. Then let's make money together. I see you once again. Bye bye.